So here is the high voltage setup. So this is the high voltage setup. Notice I have the line supply go to 1, 2, and 3. And if you look right here, I have on my white wire going to 3. If you see that white wire going to 3, if you can see that. I have my red wire going to 2, and my number 1 wire going to black. And yes, I should tie the ground in. And typically I would tape all this in electrical tape as well. But again, this is for the 480 connection, if you're coming in with 480. So, and you can see right here, my 6 and my where's the other? Should be 6 and 9. If I can find, yep, there's the 9. So you can see the 9 right there. You can see the 4 and the 7. 4 and 7. And again, 8 and 5 tied together. So 5, and there's the 8. And you can see this is what that is supposed to look like.